Here we go, I'm about to post it, yeah! I'm in the office here and I'm about to launch my brand I've been building for the past 2 years. I'm literally shaking holding this camera right now. What's up? It's Rob here. It is Friday, November 15th, and on Monday, November 18th, we are launching our new brand. We invented the world's first infrared hoodie for neck, back, and shoulder pain relief. We did an absolutely massive photo shoot for it in Toronto a couple of months ago. There's gonna be so many videos on this channel talking about the process of how we built it and the whole story. But in this one here, I wanna share with you the actual behind the scenes leading up to the launch on Monday, which is 3 days away. So I'm heading over to my business partner's place. Gonna set up some sick lighting here and make a really nice unboxing video for the website. We've been working on this product for literally 2 years behind the scenes, developing it, making it absolutely amazing. And so let's get in the car and head over to my buddy's place. Don't mind my mirror, but you can see how nice this thing fits. We made it so that it's so sick. Like it actually is like an athletic garment. So comfortable. I'm literally like in shorts. You could wear this home from the gym or whatever. Anyways, I'm super excited about this. Just kind of wanted to give you a different look here. Just got to the car here. The neck heat is super cooking now. The original idea we had when we made this hoodie is that you'd be like laying around, laying in bed, laying on the couch, watching Netflix, but honestly, the more that we've worn this, sort of walking around outside, especially when it's really cold here in the winter, having this neck heat on my back is so comfortable. I can't even like explain how good this feels. But it's really exciting when we think about all the different people that we can help with this hoodie. We can help people with chronic pain. We can help people with sports injuries, recovering from the gym, stress and anxiety relief. To be honest, I'm really nervous sharing this with the YouTube channel because I've been doing K-Bud for 8 years now. And I got great results with K-Bud. And I have no idea how this is gonna go. That's like the genuine truth here. This could go brutal. I could run into all sorts of issues with it and it becomes a gigantic problem, or it could be a tremendous success. I can't wait to launch on Monday. We're 3 days away. We've got everything now. We were literally just waiting on the last of our inventory. The website's ready to go. A couple little things to finalize there, like our shipping details and things like that. For the most part, it's all ready to go, and I've got some content ready for their launch on Monday, and we're going to do it. Oh yeah. That's all right. Can you fit there? Oh yeah, it fits like a glove. We got it. See the battery. Look at this battery. It's pretty sick. Looks good. Got our little slips for our packages. These were hand illustrated. Took a long time to make those. Little wash bag that comes with it. Can't show you the hoodie right now because I'm driving and I'll kill myself. Ah! See? See what I'm saying? It's like wearing a bath. It's like wearing a shower. It's like wearing a hug from an old friend. It's like wearing a blanket of love. Almost home here, and I'm gonna shoot this little unboxing video. Got it all here, heading up the elevator. All right, see this? Is there enough light in here? I like this table for this unboxing video. I'm gonna set up the lights and everything around this table. Just shot the unboxing video here. Sort of a makeshift setup, but I think it turned out pretty good. And I'm about to edit it now, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Looks pretty sick. Now, before we jump into the last day and I go over to my partner's place, you'll see us trying to figure out the unboxing experience for the customers and everything. You may have noticed that for this new company, we have inserts that look like this. Now, for our new company, these are wash instructions. This has safety instructions and our warranty on it. And this one's the operational instructions. But I wanna show you a sick place where you could make thank you cards like this in 1 second. If you go to design.com/apparel success, you're able to upload your logo and it will automatically generate thank you cards, flyers, postcards, and all these different designs with your logo built into them. So if you wanted to add thank you cards or slips that you include in your packages with your branding on them, this is a great place to do it. Just go over to design.com/apparel success. It's 100% free to try. And if you make something that you like, you can get up to 88% off at checkout. Now let's get back to the build up for launch day here. All right, it is Sunday, which means tomorrow is launch day. And I'm heading over to my business partner's place right now. We're going to do a whole bunch of organizing, getting everything ready for the big launch tomorrow. We're gonna go over some shipping stuff and make a whack load of boxes. GoPro for time lapses. Gonna shoot the whole damn thing. I think we need to put it on the bottom. Maybe we do put it in the wash bag, because at least in the wash bag it won't slide around.
This battery going?
Battery like that? I like that. Cards in the wash bag.
I like wash bag. Like. Do the shake test.
Do the shake test.
Definitely looks a lot less.
Good? That's the way to do it for sure. I like the way it is underneath though, because it keeps it safe.
First thing I'm gonna do is maybe grab this, take that out.
Take the hoodie. And at least everything will come like good and secure. So it's like Cards bottom wash bag.
Yeah, look at that.
I like it.
And then I put this here.
Got it. Stacking them up. What are we at now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12? That's 20 stacked. Just surrounded by boxes over here. The hat too.
2,096 grams. I got 4.1 pounds.
Okay, 38 boxes made now. Chad's box man, Mr. Boxman himself. Thanks for the box, man. Come on. Getting there. What are we at now? Like we're at like 70. This is the last one. We finished. Ready to go. Launch day tomorrow. So hopefully we can sell one or two of these things. Okay, so here we are. I'm about to post it. This is what's going on the My Therapy Wear Insta. This big spin shot video we shot. Here we go. This is it. There it is. It's official. First post ever made from this account. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And we're off. All right, now the big one here. This is the gigantic one. This is going on my own Insta here. All my friends and family, all the people who have no idea that I'm doing this. Let's make sure that this cover's right here. Yeah, it looks good. I want to make sure all the tags are right. Nat, Ben, Kaylee. Free shipping in North America. Share this with somebody you think would benefit. Whoo! Here we go. Let's do it. Boom. Share. It's off! Ah, this is freaky, man. So exciting though. That's always the scary part when you upload a video this long that you put this much effort into, is like you're worried that like Instagram's gonna flag it for something, and it's like you literally spent a month editing this video for a huge launch. By the way, if you want to check out where all this is happening, you can follow me on Instagram at Rob Persa, and you can follow TherapyWear at My TherapyWear on Instagram and TikTok. The video is taking forever to load. I don't know what's going on right now, but it's literally been like taking forever. I guess it's because I clicked upload in the highest quality settings or whatever it is. Okay, here's another big one. This is going up on the YouTube channel for all of you guys to see on Apparel Success. We invented the world's first infrared hoodie for pain relief. Same video I'm posting to YouTube here, and so here it comes. Basically, the way that we're doing this is we're exhausting our own personal networks first and just trying to get the word out, given our own resources, given who we know, given our own audiences, and then from there, we're gonna actually implement a full-blown marketing system and marketing strategy using content, using ads, and everything else that we put in place. I've got 2 more videos I'm posting, one to the My Therapy Wear on TikTok and one to the Apparel Success on TikTok. So this one's going up on the Apparel Success TikTok, hit post, and that one's loading now. It's probably gonna take a million years. Well, I mean, the website visitors are going up pretty quickly here the more that I watch it. We decided we wanted to roll it out relatively slowly because we know that marketing this thing is going to take a long time, a lot of effort over multiple years, growing this, building the brand, and so that's what's next on this whole journey. There's absolutely no pressure for you to buy one, but if you want one, you can get one at mytherapywear.com and use the code INSIDER20 for 20% off just being an Apparel Success watcher, and I hope that you enjoyed.